Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are dreaming of studying abroad, immersing yourself in a rich culture that blends ancient history with modern vibes and getting it all fully funded, have I got something exciting for you today? Imagine waking up to the call of prayer echoing over the Bosphorus, grabbing a cement from a street vendor on your way to class at one of Turkey's top universities and building lifelong friendships with people from all over the world. Sound like a movie, right? Well, it's real and it's called Turkiye Burslari Scholarship, also known as Turkey Scholarship. And today we are diving deep into everything you need to know about the 2026 cycle, whether you are a high school grad eyeing your bachelor's, a working pro ready for master's, or researcher chasing that PhD. This scholarship could change your life. No fluff, no shortcuts. I will walk you through every single detail as if you are a total beginner. Because we all start somewhere. By the end, you will feel confident and fired up to apply. Stick around till the end for some insider tips that will make your application shine. Let's jump in, grab a notebook, and let's make your study in Turkey dream a reality. What is Turkey Burslari Scholarship? Alright, first thing first. What exactly is this scholarship? The Turkey Bursary or Turkey Scholarship is a government funded program run by the Presidency of Turks Abroad and related communities. It's been around since 2012 and it's designed to bring talented international students to Turkey for higher education. Think of it as Turkey's way of saying, come join us, learn from the best, and become global leader. It's not just about money, though that's a huge part. It's a full package that includes university placement, so you don't have to apply to schools separately. It's open for associate degrees, bachelor's, master's degrees, and even PhD, and even short term research programs. And get this, it covers fields from engineering and medical to social sciences, humanities, arts, and more. Turkey has over 200 universities, many ranked globally, like Bogachi University or Middle East Technical University. It's competitive, sure, but if you are passionate and prepared, it's totally achievable. Thousands of students from 170 plus countries get selected every year. Why not you? The goal to foster international understanding, build a network of future leaders, and let you experience Turkey's unique blend of East and West. Picture studying AI in Ankara or history in Istanbul. It's not just education, it's an adventure. The amazing benefits. Why apply? Now, let's talk about what you actually get because this is where it gets juicy. This is a fully funded scholarship, folks. No loans, no debt hanging over your head. Here's the breakdown. First, full tuition coverage, zero out of pocket for classes, then a monthly stipend to cover living expenses around 3500 Turkish lira for undergraduates. That's about 100 to 120 USD right now, depending on exchange rates. 5,000 Turkish lira for master students and 6,500 Turkish lira for PhD candidates. It's enough to live comfortably, think rent, food, and even some weekend trips to Cappadocia. Accommodation sorted. They provide universities, dorms, or help with housing. So, no worries if you catch a cold exploring the Grand Bazaar. And they throw in a one way flight ticket to Turkey when you arrive, plus a return ticket when you graduate. Sweet deal, right? But wait, there is more. A free 1 year Turkish language course if your program isn't in English. Many programs are in English, but learning Turkish opens doors to deeper cultural immersion, plus academic support, cultural activities, and access to global alumni network. Graduates often land jobs worldwide or even stay in Turkey. It's not just funding, it's investing in your future. Imagine graduating debt free with skills, friends, and memories that will last a lifetime. That's the power of Turkey's Burslari scholarship. Eligibility criteria. Am I qualified? Okay, before you get too excited, let's check if you qualify. Don't worry, it's straightforward, but be honest with yourself. Nationality open to everyone except Turkish citizen or those who have lost Turkish citizenship. If you are from anywhere else, Pakistan, India, Africa, Europe, the Americas, you are good. Age limits for bachelor's or associate degrees, you need to be under 21 by the application deadline. Masters under 30, PhD under 35, research scholarship under 50 years. These are strict, so calculate from February 2026. Academic requirements for undergraduates at least 70% in high school, but 90% if you are applying for medicine, dentistry, or pharmacy. Those are tough fields. For masters and PhD, a minimum 75% in your previous degree. No specific GPA conversion needed. They evaluate based on your country system. Other stuff, you can't be currently enrolled in a Turkish university at the level you are applying for. If you have got health issues that might affect studies, disclose them. They are inclusive but need to know. Language, no mandatory IELTS or TOEFL upfront, but prove proficiency if your program requires it. If you meet these, you are in the game. If not, maybe aim for next year. Persistence pays off. Application dates and deadline. Mark your calendars. Timing is everything here. For the 2026 cycle, applications open on January 10, 2026 and close on February 20, 2026. That's a tight 6 week window. Don't procrastinate. It's all online, free, and done in one period for everyone. No extensions usually, so set reminder. If you are watching this after February 20, sorry, you will have to wait for 2027. But if it is before, start happening now. The application process step by step. Alright, the meat of it. How to apply. It's 100% online via official portal. No agents, no fees. Be aware of scams claiming otherwise. Step 1. Create an account. Head to the site. Click apply now and register with your email. Verify it. Set a password. Step 2. Fill in personal information, name, birth date, nationality, contact detail. Upload a recent photo, smile, make it professional. Academic background, enter your educational history, grades, and upload transcript. Be precise, and any fungers could disqualify you. Step 4. Language proficiency. List languages you know. If your program is in English, mention any test, otherwise, they will provide Turkish training. Step 5. Work experience and extracurriculars, if applicable, add jobs, volunteering, and awards. This shows you are well rounded. Step 6. Choose your program and universities. Huge step. You can select up to 12 preferences, mix levels if you want, but focus on what fits. Research universities via the portal. It lists options by field. Step 7. Write your letter of intent. This is your chance to shine. Explain why Turkey, why this field, and your goals. Keep it 1 to 2 pages, passionate and error free. Pour your heart in it. Make them feel your drive. Step 8. Upload required documents. We will cover these next, but have them ready in PDF or JPEG. Step 9. Review and submit. Double check everything. No typos. Once submitted, you can't edit, but you can track status. The whole thing takes a few hours if prepared. Do it in sessions if needed. Take a deep breath. You have got this. Required documents. What to prepare. Don't submit without these. They are mandatory. Scan them clearly in color if possible. Valid passport or national ID. Recent passport sized photos, high school diploma, and transcripts for undergraduate, bachelor's, master's, or for higher levels. If graduating soon, a temporary certificate works. Exam scores like SAT, ACT, or national exams if required by your choices. For master's or PhD degree, recommendation letters, at least two recommendation letters are needed, CV and For PhD, a research proposal plus an example of your written work, like a thesis chapter, language certificates if applicable, letter of intent as mentioned. Awards publication, organize your folder now, label everything. If something is another language, get a certified translation. The selection process, what happens next? After submitting, relax but not too much. Here is the timeline: March to May, preliminary and expert evaluation. They check eligibility, academics, and documents. Shortlisted, you will hear via email. June to July, interviews. If selected, you will do an online or in person interview at a Turkish embassy. They assess motivation, knowledge, and fit. Practice, be yourself. They want real people. August, result announcement. Check the portal. Are you accepted? Congrats. Rejected? Feedback might help for next time. September, arrival and Turkey. Orientation, language course if needed, then class start. It's merit based: 40% academics, 30% interview, 30% other factors like diversity. Fair and transparent. Tips for success and common mistakes. To boost your chances, 1. Research programs deeply, don't pick randomly. Tailor your letter of intent to show genuine interest in Turkey. Get recommendations from professors who know you will. Apply early to avoid technical glitches. Common pitfalls: incomplete apps, missing documents sink you, lying about grades, instant rejection. But weak motivation letter, make it personal, not generic. Stand out by highlighting how you will contribute to Turkey and your home country. Believe in yourself. This scholarship loves dreamers. We covered it all from the basic to the nitty gritty. The Turkey Bursary Scholarship 2026 isn't just funding, it's a gateway to transformation, culture, and connection that will shape who you are. If you are eligible, don't hesitate. Apply between January 10 and February 20. You have got the tools now. Go make it happen. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more scholarship guides, and drop a comment. Remember, every grad journey starts with one step, or in this case, one application. You have got this. See you in the comments.